How to deactivate Messenger account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device, and here, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the settings option you see there, and now scroll down and you will see the option for Accounts Center. So tap on the See More in Account Center option and then tap on the Personal Details option under Account Settings. Further, tap on the Account Ownership and Control option and then tap on the Deactivation or Deletion option you see there. You will then be required to tap on the Deactivate Account Radio button. So tap on that and then tap on the Continue button you see there, and then tap on Continue again, and you will further be required to enter the password for security purpose. So enter the password for your account and then tap on the Continue button, and with this, your account will be deactivated on Messenger. So this is how you can deactivate Messenger account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.